You do not need a long workout to challenge your legs. This routine uses 20 different movements to train your leg muscle. 1 dumbbell, 10 minutes, no repeated exercises. Welcome to your 10-minute leg workout with dumbbell. This session is beginner-friendly and suitable for all levels. We'll move through a no-repeat circuit. 30 seconds per exercise, no planned rest. You can always slow down, shorten your range of motion, or pause the video if you need recovery. You'll need one light to moderate dumbbell and a mat or comfortable floor space. Please make sure you've done a quick warm-up before this workout. I linked one here. If you feel sharp pain, dizziness, or anything that doesn't feel right, stop and check in with your body. Train at your own pace. Listen to your joints and remember, form comes first, speed comes second. When you're ready, let's set up for our first exercise. Exercise 1. Front squats. Start with the dumbbell held securely at your chest. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Lower into a controlled squat. Keep your chest lifted and your ribs stacked over your pelvis. Keep your knees tracking in line with your toes. Push through your whole foot to stand tall. Keep the dumbbell close and stay controlled. Next, squat press. Keep the dumbbell at shoulder height. Squat down with control, then drive through your feet as you stand and press overhead. Brace your core before the press. Keep your ribs from flaring and avoid leaning backward. Lower the dumbbell safely back to your chest. Maintain a steady rhythm, not a rushed rhythm. Moving into Sumo Squat. Take a wider stance with your toes turned slightly outward. Hold the dumbbell in front of your body. Lower your hips between your legs. Keep your knees moving in the same direction as your toes. Drive through the floor and squeeze your glutes at the top. Keep your chest open throughout the movement. Now, Romanian deadlift. Stand tall with the dumbbell close to your thighs. Soften your knees and push your hips backward. Keep your spine neutral and lower the weight along your legs. Feel tension through your hamstrings. Drive your hips forward to stand. Do not pull with your lower back. Keep the dumbbell close to your body. Exercise 5. Good morning. Place the dumbbell securely at your chest or across your upper body. Stand tall and brace your core. Push your hips backward while keeping a soft bend in your knees. Keep your back long and your neck relaxed. Squeeze your glutes to return to standing. Move slowly and maintain control through the entire hinge. Moving into fire hydrant, alternating legs. Come down onto your hands and knees. Keep your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Lift one knee out to the side without rotating your torso. Return it to the floor and switch sides. Keep your core braced and your spine neutral. Use a smaller range if your hips begin to twist. Glute Bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat. Place the dumbbell across your hips and hold it securely. Press through your heels and lift your hips. Keep your ribs down and avoid arching your lower back. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower with control and repeat. Now glute bridge pulses. Stay at the top of your glute bridge. Use controlled pulses through your hips. Keep the dumbbell stable and maintain tension through your glutes. Do not allow your knees to collapse inward. Keep breathing. The range is small, but the control should remain strong. Glute bridge hold. Hold your hips high. Keep your knees aligned with your feet and your core engaged. Imagine pulling your ribs towards your pelvis. This keeps your lower back from taking over. Stay steady and breathe slowly. If needed, lower your hips briefly, reset, and continue. You are halfway through the workout. If this simple strength format is helping you, subscribe for more beginner-friendly workouts. We move into Curtsy lunge. Right. Stand tall with the dumbbell held at your right side. Step your left leg behind and across your right leg. Lower your hips while keeping your front knee aligned with your toes. Keep your chest lifted. Push through your right foot to return to standing. Focus on balance and control. Switch sides. Step your right leg behind and across your left leg. Lower slowly and keep the front knee stable. Keep your hips facing forward as much as possible. Drive through your left foot to stand. Use a shorter step if your balance feels unstable. Reverse lunge, right. Step your left leg backward and lower into a reverse lunge. Your right leg stays in front. Keep your front heel grounded and your torso tall. Lower only as far as you can control. Push through your right foot to return to standing. Keep your knee tracking forward. Switch sides. Step your right leg backward and lower into the lunge. Keep your left foot planted and your core braced. Avoid allowing the front knee to collapse inward. Push through your left foot to stand. Keep your movement smooth and controlled. Coming up, Goblet Squat. Hold the dumbbell vertically at your chest. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Sit your hips down and back while keeping your chest lifted. Keep the dumbbell close to your body. Drive through the floor to stand. Squeeze your glutes at the top without leaning backward. Goblet pulses are next. Lower into your goblet squat and stay there. Perform small pulses through a controlled range. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Keep your chest lifted and your core braced. Stay calm and breathe. Do not bounce through the bottom position. Prisoner squat. Release the dumbbell and place your hands behind your head. Keep your elbows open without pulling on your neck. Lower into a squat while keeping your chest lifted. Brace your core before each repetition. Push through your whole foot to stand. Maintain a smooth, repeatable rhythm. Skater lunge. Step or glide to the right and reach your left leg behind you. Keep your landing soft and controlled. Move side to side while keeping your hips low. Use a smaller step if balance becomes difficult. Keep your chest lifted and your knee aligned. This is a controlled exercise, not a speed contest. Lateral squat. Right. Step to the right and sit your hips back into a lateral squat. Keep your left leg long. Keep your right foot fully planted. Push your hips backward instead of dropping straight down. Push through your right foot to return to center. Keep your chest lifted and repeat on this side. Switch to the left side. Step left and sit your hips backward. Keep your left foot planted and your right leg long. Keep your knee tracking with your toes. Push through the left foot to return to center. Control every repetition as fatigue increases. Jump squats. Final exercise. Lower into a squat, then drive through your feet to jump softly. Land quietly with your knees slightly bent. Keep your chest lifted and absorb the landing. For a lower impact option, remove the jump and perform a controlled squat with a calf raise. Finish the interval with control. Workout complete. Take a few slow breaths and walk gently until your heart rate begins to settle. Stretch your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and hips if your body feels ready. You can repeat this workout 2 to 3 times per week with recovery between sessions. If you completed the workout, comment "done" below. Like the video, subscribe, and keep your strength training simple. Thank you for working out with me. See you in the next one.